To another Treasures for Life Ministry Herbal Focus. Today's herb that I'll be focusing on is a herb that many persons know, but not many persons may have seen this herb in its growing natural environment. I'm going to give a close-up to give you a chance to guess what herb this is. So, did you say scallion? No, you're not correct. But if you had said garlic, then you are certainly correct. So here we have the garlic from my kitchen, and we have the garlic from its natural growing environment. And this is how we plant the garlic. By removing one of the cloves, we have two cloves here, and placing it this way down in the earth. And then this green part that you see right here, this is where it's growing from, the small tip. So the garlic is a wonderful herb. It is used in many culinary dishes to flavor your food, to make them so much more tasty and appealing. But garlic has many medicinal purposes or value as well. It is an antioxidant, antiviral, antifungal, antibiotic, and all these wonderful things. The garlic is able to lower hypertension, lower those who are suffering from high blood pressure. It is also capable of lowering your cholesterol levels. It boosts your immune system. It's good for inflammation in the body. It is an anti-clotting agent, so it helps to thin the blood. When you have clotting problem, your platelets are too sticky, and so the garlic is one of the herbs that can be used to thin the blood so that it does not clot too much. And you know that clotting of the blood, clotting in the body, can also contribute to heart issue, strokes, things like that. And so the garlic is also good for your heart. It is a blood purifier. It is good for coughs, for colds, bronchitis, tuberculosis, and other respiratory issues. It is also good for your liver disorders, helpful for your urinary tract infections, your kidney issues. It's good for worms, to expel worms. It's good for rheumatism. The garlic can also help with your colic, your flatulence. It is good for your digestive issues. It's also a herb that you can take for your fevers, and it is a detoxifying herb, and it also improves your eye health. This herb can also be used in many cancer treatments. It's used for staph infection. It protects against cellular damage in the body. Even those who have diabetes can be benefited by taking garlic tea. You can use this herb externally, but caution, caution, caution when using this herb externally, as it is a herb that will burn or scorch the skin. Preferably when using, it would be best to use it under the bottom of the feet, but still place it into a paper, a hand towel, or a cotton material before applying to the bottom of the feet, where you can reap the many benefits of healing from those who are suffering from congestion in the lungs, or just need some antibiotic to flow through the body via the bottom of the feet. This herb can also help persons who are suffering from toothache. But as I say to you, it is a herb that will burn or scorch. So it's recommended that you place it first into a piece of gauze, and then you apply it to the tooth or the toothache. It can also be used for many other poultices in tumors, and it is combined with other herbs like your turmeric, aloe vera, and your cactus, ginger, etc. But please apply the castor oil to the skin before you place it directly on. And remember, be moderate in the use of garlic, as it is a blood thinner and it will thin the blood too much. Or if you are taking blood thinning medications, it is not wise to take the garlic, as it does the purpose of blood thinning as well, and the blood can become too thin and you will end up in problem with your blood being too thin, and you can bleed to death or easily bruised. So be cautious. Be moderate in its use, and be wise as serpents, harmless as doves. And we thank you again for watching another Treasures for Life ministry video. Please like and subscribe. And as someone always says, there is a saying that what defiles one breath may befriend one's health. So even though the garlic may not be the one that is the best of smell, it is good for your health. Maranatha, Jesus is coming soon. Please like and subscribe.